Hello everyone, how are you? Once again welcome to my YouTube channel, that is My Knowledge Park, and today also I have taken the same topic. आज के वीडियो में भी मैं सेम ही टॉपिक ले चुका हूं. कौन सा है? एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव. इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियोस वी हैव स्टडीड thoroughly. अच्छी तरह से प्रीवियस वीडियो के अंदर एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव के बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स भी ले चुका हूं. फिर भी मेरे लिसनर्स अच्छी तरह से सीखे, यही मेरा एक इंटेंशन है. द इंटेंशन ऑफ माय स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास इज दैट my all the followers or all the listeners, those who are listening carefully and watching carefully, they should not go wrong. This is the only single intention behind my spoken English class. Okay, active into passive बनाते समय क्या क्या चेंजेस होते हैं, whatever the changes are going to happen while making active into passive voice, that we have seen earlier, but now also we have to see. For example, after giving one of the examples, you come to know what are the changes are required. For example, someone has stolen my pocket. Now, this is one of the examples. Now, it is written into active voice. अब इसको पैसिव में बनाते समय क्या करना है? First of all, you must understand in which tense the sentence has been written. Later on, we have to go towards the further step. दूसरे स्टेप फॉलो करने के पहले ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि वह दिया गया सेंटेंस कौन से टेंस में लिखा गया है. कौन सा? someone has stolen my pocket. This is written into present perfect tense. Now, what is the step? While making active into passive voice, the given sentence must be divided into three parts. थ्री पार्ट्स के अंदर दिया गया जो सेंटेंस है उसको डिवाइड करना है. विच आर दोज? वन इज सब्जेक्ट, अनदर वन इज वर्ब, एंड लास्ट वन इज ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ विच इज द सब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस? जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. समवन इज द सब्जेक्ट, and which is the verb? Has stolen is the verb, and which is the object? My pocket is an object. Now what we have to do? एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाते समय बहुत बार नहीं, एक बार नहीं, 1000 बार मैं बोल चुका हूं कि वो टेंस आर नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. द मीनिंग विल बी सेम, but when we are going to just change direct into indirect, at that time there is a dense possibility of changing the tense. But here in this context there is a few possibility of changing the tense. Now what is the first step? After dividing that the given sentence into three parts, what we have to do? We have to just bring that object on the place of the subject. थोड़ा ध्यान दे दो. once again my dears, थोड़ा ध्यान दे दो. एक्टिव में जो सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब होता है वो पैसिव में ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब होता है. ठीक उसी तरह एक्टिव में जो ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब होता है वो पैसिव में सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब होता है. दैट वी हैव टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड. नाउ माय पॉकेट, माय पॉकेट, my pocket. Yes, it is not the pocket of anybody's. My pocket. Why? It is object. My pocket. After writing that object on the place of subject, what is the second step? The second step is to peep towards the verb. verb के तरफ झांक के देखना है. झांक के देखना एक ऐसी एक्शन है जिनको हम देख रहे हैं उनको भी पता ना चले और आजू बाजू वालों को भी पता ना चले, सिर्फ हमें ही पता चले कि वह हम किनको देख रहे हैं. दैट इज टिपिपिंग. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ माय पॉकेट. नाउ वर्ब को क्या है? एंडिंग को en लग चुका है एंड बिफोर वर्ब व्हाट इट इज देयर? हैज इज देयर. व्हाट इज हैज? यस इट इज मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. इट इज वन ऑफ द रूल्स ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर व्हाइल मेकिंग एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. व्हाट इट इज? अगर एक्टिव के अंदर वर्ब के पहले अगर हैज आता है तो उसका फाइनल फॉर्म यानी कि वर्ब का फाइनल फॉर्म लिखने के पहले एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव में पैसिव के पैसिव फॉर्म के अंदर हैज बीन लिखा जाता है. हैव है तो हैव बीन. और ये कैसे हुआ? हैव बीन, हैज बीन. यस, वी अकॉर्डिंग टू द नाउन. हाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द नाउन? समवन हैज स्टोलन माय पॉकेट. इफ apart from my pocket, if there had been my pockets, then what would have come over there? Yes, there would have been come in spite of has that have would have come. Why? Because have is going to express the meaning of plural noun, and has is going to express the meaning of singular noun. So here someone is singular, and as well as my pocket is also singular, and hence has been. My pocket has been. Why it is has been come over here? It is rules. It is one of the rules of English grammar. Whenever in the active voice there is a has, it must be converted in has been while changing that active into passive voice. My pocket has been stolen, stolen. Steal, stole, stolen. What happens here? Steal, stole, stolen. Steal, stole, stolen. Steal, chorna. Stole, चोरा और stolen, चुराया. Understand? चुरा के दिल मेरा गुरिया चली. Steal, stole, stolen. Come, came, come. Go, went, gone. Go, goa, gone nahi. Go, went, gone. Sting, stank, stung. Ring, rang, rung. Swim, swam, swum. Chwin, chwam, swum. What are these? These are the forms of infinitives. And these are very, very essential whenever you speak in English. इंग्लिश के अंदर बात करते समय ऐसे कुछ वर्ड्स है, उनके क्या है बाबा, इन्फिनिटिव भी मालूम होना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड अलोंग विद दैट यू मस्ट नो द V2 आल्सो एंड V3 आल्सो. That is very important. So yes, for the sake of example that I have written over here, steal, stole, stolen. Understand? Drink, drank, drunk. Take, took, taken. Write, wrote, written. Begin, began, begun. Become, became, become. Understand? So in the same way, cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Set, set, set. Let, let, let. Spread, spread, spread. Understand? Spreaded nahi hota. Spread, spread, spread. So that is very important. So my pocket has been stolen, stolen. My pocket has been stolen. Again we have to require one of the conjunction, or it has been called as a preposition, that is by. Yes, my pocket has been stolen by someone. So what it is? It is the perfect example of active into passive. So in the same way, whatsoever the sentences have been given to us to convert into passive, at that time what we have to do, we must remember some rules and regulations, and according to some rules and regulations we have to follow it. आप बोलेंगे अरे चलो क्या है, एक सेंटेंस है, उस सेंटेंस को 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है, और पहले ऑब्जेक्ट जो है, ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट के जगह लिखना है, उसके साथ साथ वर्ब को कुछ तो लगाए और सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह लाए, हो गया एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव. अरे वाह, वो कौन से अंग्रेजी हो सकते हैं मामा, ये बहुत सारी दुनिया आपके ऊपर हंसेगी, तो ये नहीं चलेगा. इट इज नॉट सो. अंडरस्टैंड? So in the same way, just I will take one more example, then your doubt will be clear. For example, और एक example है बाबा, कौन सा example है, थोड़ा सोचो कौन सा, just try to understand. अब ठीक उसी तरह क्वेश्चन आया तो क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे, try to understand. Did you play cricket? For example, this is one of the sentences, or it is one of the questions. Now did you play cricket, what it is? Did you play cricket is going to ask the question in past tense. पास्ट टेंस के अंदर क्या है बाबा, आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. अब उस वक्त क्या करना, आप बोलेंगे कि बाबा सर जस्ट व्हाट वी कैन से, व्हेनेवर द सेंटेंस इज गोइंग टू गिव एंड इफ यू हैव टू मेक दैट एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव वॉइस, एट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू जस्ट डिवाइड दैट गिवन सेंटेंस इनटू 3 पार्ट्स एंड इमीडिएटली वी हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. Immediately we have to add, we have to pick towards that what you can say verb, and just we have to change according to that situation. It is not so. For example, did you play cricket आया है, अब इस वक्त क्या करना है, बस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उस भानगढ़ में जाना नहीं. we should not go through that what we can say the problems. What we have to do, what exactly is the did is there. So what we have to do, if it is in question tag, the answer must be in question tag, and mind it, tense must not be changed. Did you play cricket? Yes, did. What did is going to express? Did is going to express the meaning which is happened in past, and for the sake of did, what must be taken? One helping word must be taken, so that did must be kicked out. That is was. Over. Was. After was, what we have to take? Yeah, was cricket. Was cricket. Understand? First of all, ये जो मॉडल है did, did, in spite of did, what was we have to take, and immediately we have to follow the rules. What is was? Cricket, cricket. अंडरस्टैंड, क्रिकेट ओनली क्रिकेट, कुछ तो अलग करके बैठेंगे, वैसा नहीं हो सकता. was क्रिकेट. अब क्रिकेट लिखने के बाद, ऑब्जेक्ट लिखने के बाद सब्जेक्ट की तरफ, व्हाट इज एट द सब्जेक्ट? एट द एंडिंग नथिंग इज देयर, बट एट द बिगिनिंग यू इज देयर. But for the sake of making that sentence in a correct way and to give the good sense of the meaning, what we have to do? Was cricket, play converts into played. Understand? Was cricket played? Now you is there, it is the subject, and that subject becomes object, and object becomes subject. Was cricket played by you ka you, possessive pronoun you ka you. Try to understand. You, yours, and yours. So was cricket played by you? This is the answer of this question. What is the question? Did you play cricket? And what is the answer? Was cricket played by you? So guys, I think you might have understood thoroughly what are the changes are required while making active into passive voice. In my next video, again we will discuss regarding that active into passive voice only. Till then, take care. If you like, please like it. You do not forget to subscribe it and share it. Take care.